Libra and Scorpio sexual and intimacy compatibility. This is an intense couple in every way, and their sexual relationship is something truly exciting and challenging at the same time. They are linked through their animalistic natures, continuing one another, ruled by planets that also rule their opposing signs. This is a complicated sexual contact, for they are ruled by Venus and Mars, as if they were made for each other. However, they seem to lack the touch of the element they both need, separated by the quick, superficial element of air in Libra and emotional, slow element of water in Scorpio. Even if they don't make each other happy in other parts of their relationship, when a Libra partner lets go to their instinctive, animalistic side, they easily become one with their Scorpio partner. Their sex life can be incredibly emotional and demanding, for the pull of their energies is extremely strong and makes them both obsessive and possessive to one another. They will both often get so tied that their relationship seems impossible to break. These ties are created through their physical contact, even if everything else in their relationship makes them deeply unsatisfied. 45%. Libra and Scorpio trust. If Scorpio cannot trust someone, it is Libra. How could they when there seems to be an obvious need in their Libra partner to show how attractive and sensual they are to the rest of the world? As if this wasn't enough, that possessiveness of Scorpio is easily absorbed by Libra, and they will start acting in a similar way, obsessing about each time their partner wants to do anything alone. Even though this is the worst-case scenario, this atmosphere will probably be present in any Libra-Scorpio couple on a smaller scale. The question is, are they ready to live like this every day? If they accept this as a way of sharing true, deep love, then their trust issues might not be much of a problem, however weird they might seem. 1%. Libra and Scorpio communication and intellect. There is nothing Scorpio can say that Libra won't be able to rationalize. Their communication is the exact place where the connection of Libra to Saturn comes in handy. This will give Libra the ability to slow down, breathe in, and understand the impulsive acts or words of their Scorpio partner. There is just enough depth in both of these signs, even though Libra is an air sign and quite distant from planet Earth. This will allow just enough understanding between them in a rational sense. The problem they have to deal with is in the fact that they both represent a detriment for each other's rulers. This will easily lead to the dismissal of each other's personalities, especially since Libra has to deal with personality issues through the fall of the Sun, and Scorpio doesn't accept anything that isn't whole. Libra will have trouble understanding the aggressively clear side of Scorpio, as much as Scorpio won't understand the dishonest act of their Libra partner. Their differences could be very difficult to reconcile if they get too close to each other and start meddling in their personal lives and decisions. 55%. Libra and Scorpio emotions. There is an incredible intensity to their feelings when they do fall in love. In many cases, love simply won't happen. Libra looks for an active, fiery partner that will awaken their life force and bring light into their life. Scorpio looks for someone physical, sensual, and practical, and although Libra can meet these needs to some point due to Saturn's exaltation and the rule of Venus, in most cases this is not primarily who they want to be. When a spark exists between them, it will easily build up to a fire, burning entire cities, forests, and everyone on its way, including both of them. That nuclear energy of Scorpio is ignited by its preceding sign of Libra, because it carries information on all unresolved issues in relationships and all of the anger that hasn't been let out because of the forced need for appropriate behavior. In other words, Libra will accumulate the unexpressed sexual energy and it will burst in Scorpio, leading to a lifelong war if enough is pushed under the rug. This will be construed as ultimate love, making their emotional relationship ridiculously intense. They need to understand that love is about tenderness as much as everything else, and if they don't have any, maybe it is not love but simple physical attraction and a need to vent from restrictions. 25%. Libra and Scorpio values. Both of these partners will value consistency and commitment, and this is something that will connect them in the first place. However, the rest of their systems of value don't coincide that much, and they will differ on behavior and expectations of other people. With Libra frowning at indecent behavior, Scorpio will have indecent friends, honest about their act and fully accepted and respected for that. It seems to Libra that Scorpio does everything out of the ordinary just to seem special, while Scorpio sees Libra as doing everything ordinary just to fit in. The main problem here is in the value they give to opinions of other people, and this will not be easy to overcome. 10%. Libra and Scorpio shared activities. If there is an activity a Libra and a Scorpio can share all the time, it must be sex. Scorpio will awaken the animalistic side of their Libra partner, and their time together will most certainly be focused on both partners following their instincts. Scorpio is a sign of the exaltation of Uranus, and they will lack patience for indecisiveness of Libra. This is why their needs won't fit very well in other areas of their lives, and they might not be able to meet each other's expectations. An exception to this rule occurs when Libra turns to the dark side and gives in to the need of Scorpio to take them to the underworld. No other partner will ignite this need in Scorpio as a Libra partner. 35%. Summary. The relationship of Libra and Scorpio is in no way easy and light. Both of these partners will have to face their dark sides through this bond, and although this can lead to an incredible and intense sex life, and emotions that no one else can understand, it might lead them both to a depressive hole they won't easily get out of. The only way for this couple to last in a satisfying and gentle relationship is for both partners to build a strong individual, independent life, or they will get sucked into the whirlpool of karmic emotions and obsessive, negative expectations. 29%.